Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Forex Trader, and today we are going to show you a weekly update on this pair. This is the USD Swiss, and we're going to use the wave calculator, which is up here, the top right corner of the charts. This is the wave calculator that we use from Forex Mentor S123. So all we need to do is plot the highest point here, 1, 2 is a retracement here, and 3 is the retracement here. So we've got 3 points, one up top, second one down at the bottom, lowest point, and the highest point is retracement. So we put our stop losses up here. Entry is in this area here. You can re-enter in the 60, 50, or 38% area, and your take profit is here for this USD Swiss. So if you enter about in the about 50% area here at 09304, you're looking at taking your first target is 161, second is 167, third is 213, and then the fourth one is 276. So you may continue down further there. There's a few other target there that you can actually target for. The fourth, the fifth, and the sixth target here also you can actually wait for a exit target. This definitely 6 target there you can actually exit. So this is updating on the trade of USD Swiss on the 4-hour charts, and by using a wave calculator to determine the exit and also the entry point in this area here. So all you need to do is plot a 1, 2, 3. So I just clear this and start again. So you go to this box here, the yellow box, you click on it, find the highest point, which is there, the lowest point is here, and then the retracement is here. And there you go, bingo, you got yourself a entry area, and then you got yourself a retracement to right retracement area here to enter, and then you got yourself a nice exit target here. You got first three target here, and then you got the next 6 target there, which is in total, so you can exit any of those targets there. All you need is just by plotting a wave calculator to give you that precise entry and exit area. So this is a weekly update for the USD Swiss, and we'll come back and give you some more updates. Thanks for watching. See you back shortly. Bye for now.